Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Let's go. Today I will take 5 or 6 trades and I will try to increase this account as much as I can. And this is my first trade. I entered for common point of rejection. You see we have a ranging market that we have multiple rejections all over the place, and if I draw a line between all these rejections, it will give me this entry as the fifth rejection, as the fifth touch of this line. Okay, that's my first trade, and that was a winning trade. Now if I want to take one more time this using this setup, I should aim for this one. Okay, once the price comes to this area, I can enter for another common point of rejection. But now if you see the candle started with a gap up, it means that it's in the favor of sellers. That's why I'm not taking this. But previously we started with gap down, which is in the favor of buyers. That's why I took it. And now if I take this, I should take it small. Okay, now it's the good entry. My entry is just very nice on this one, but I take it very, very small because, like I said, there's gap up, and also we have this demand right here, so it can react. But if we have gaps against us, we should either avoid taking the trade or we take it very small. So in this case, I took it very small. I saw people underestimate gaps, and they take trades no matter what, but gaps are so important. Now, if I take this, it's going to be against the trend, right? It's a strong uptrend. Now, if I want to take this, it will be against the trend. And if I want to take this again, I should either avoid taking this or just take it very small, like 200, okay? But if you look at this one, we have gap up right here as well. Gap up in the favor of sellers. Our trade is also sell, unlike the previous one, which we had gap up and we bought and we lost the trade. This one is also against the trend. That's why I'm taking it small. But for the next one, I will try to take a very good trade. Let me see. Yeah. Alright, that was a winning trade. I will just keep looking for other opportunities. Alright, the doji break is about to happen here, but this looks like a swing doji, so I don't trust it. But since we have a nice market sequence, I may take the next trade. See, we don't have more than 3 consecutive green candles, and this is the third one, so it can give us a beautiful market sequence. Plus, this can be a good decision point. This whole thing is a decision point too. So I'm just gonna have a quick look to other pairs, and then I'll be back there. Oh, this is also a good one. Alright, now if I want to take this, I'm looking for this sell, right? Oh my god, it didn't even give me the chance to enter. I was looking for entering somewhere here as margin of safety. Look, we have a very nice support area. Look how many times it has reacted from this area, and then this move has happened. Okay, we have 2 decision points here. One is this one, which already reacted. This one, causing this breakout. Another one would be a bigger one inside of this. So this one would be the best to trade on. But for the one that I was looking for, okay, look at this. Oh my god, I missed this beautiful decision point trade. Like, my trade should have been this one. Also, we have the opportunity to take this one. Look at this one. See that? This is a fresh supply. This is also a fresh supply in the lower time frame, which reacted without hesitation. Okay, that's a missed opportunity. I will just Gonna keep looking. Guys, I'm planning to start a batch, intake for a batch of students for the mentorship on 20 May. And it will be in a special offer for limited spots. It means that there will be a discounted price for 24 hours for those who has been waiting for a long time to join. Yeah, if you're planning to join, make sure you join the official Telegram channel and stay tuned because the announcement will be there. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take this one. This one's going to be beautiful if it gives me the entry. Let's go. Yeah. So if you're interested to start the course, just check the description and the announcement will be in the Telegram channel. There will be a special offer again for the mentorship. Now, this trade's about to close in 16 seconds. You already can tell we have a doji break, right? One reason. Another reason is that we have common point of rejection inside a ranging market. That's the main requirement for common point of rejection. Also, we have gap up as a confirmation for our trade. And if you look at this one, basic market structure. This is the basic market structure. See, we created lower low and now we can expect a drop and create again another lower low. Yeah, that was a good one. We had also this third touch breakout here. It's kind of an exhaustion candle, which we missed again. It's okay to miss some trades. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for other opportunity. Today's market is very nice, unlike previous session, which I was struggling to find some good trades. But now it feels much better. This is another common point of rejection. Is it already reacting? I don't think it's touching it. It hasn't touched it. I'm not going to take this one now. I will plan to take the trade on the next candle if it gives me the opportunity. I should be very careful. Down here will be nice. Yeah, down there will be amazing if it gives me the chance. Come on, beautiful, let's go. Yeah, I took the safer entry. There's always a safer entry, but we need to decide which one we're taking. Sometimes it's better to like enter half amount here, half amount in the safer entry. But always safer entry is the preference for us. And I know it will make us miss some trades, but you know, at least we're not losing money, right? Right, that was a winning trade. Look at this one. If I was taking this entry, I would lose here. I'd be freaking mad. But this is the medium safe trade. Medium safe entry. This is a risky entry. Medium. And this is the safest entry for this common point of rejection. We have a proper range. We have red green pattern. So the preference here will be the green one. We would imagine that we will get the green one. and we take the safer entry, right? This session was pretty nice and easy, and I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm done. Since I started to do withdrawals, and after each session I feel more confident. All right, I'm gonna go with 5, 8, 27. I'm gonna try to start a challenge again, growing $100 to, you know, higher amounts. Let me just get my thing. It's in my phone. Okay, I'm done. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'm just going to finish the video right here. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. First link in the description. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace out.